Hey guys, welcome to another new creature repair. You'll notice my Wreck Gar does not have a head. It's because something was bothering me about his face. The eyes, when I was reviewing this guy, I said they were a little inset. And I realized that you'll see what happened here. Um, the eyes were not inset, they just weren't set. So now I thought I had pried this apart safely. Just kind of I thought I heard a paint seal break, but or a glue seal break, but I actually heard the peg break. So I'm so professional, yay! But you can see there's still a lot of that peg still sticking out. This thing was not set in properly, so um, you can see his eyes were like way inset. And in my review, you'll see that it was like I thought it was like the design, but I'm not so sure anymore. So here's what we're going to do, just real quick. We are going to use the lower the exposure there a little bit. We're going to use my uh, little razor here, and we're going to try to get this out of here. Yeah. You don't want to rush this and you don't want to force it, because forcing a blade will mean that somebody will eventually bleed or break. So you don't want to do that. Let's see. You know what? I'm going to point the camera down just a little bit because this is uncomfortable for me. Here. Let's see here. That is very, very in there. No wonder the glue did not want to give for me, because it's not even giving up for the knife. Shoot. Dang. Okay. We're making some progress. Oh, did I break my blade? I sure did. I broke the tip off. All right. Okay, let's work at it from another angle. Maybe we can break it from here. What we don't want to do is break the blade to where it shatters and makes a mess. I need to do something off camera real quick. Okay, I think we got a little bit better here. Fortunately, this side of the head is covered by this part, so we don't have to worry too much. Um, Shoot, it would be a shame if I broke this like irreparably, but I mean it's plastic, so it shouldn't be too bad. All right, it looks like it's starting to budge a little bit. Just saw it shift a little. Oops. to mess up the eyes either. You see the red right here and here. Those are the eyes. The eyes that are not set properly. Let's see if we can pull that out with the tweezers here. Might need something a little sharper than this, but let's give it a try. It's moving around in there. I can see it. It looks like a loose tooth. See that? Maybe, let me grab a pin. Oh, you know what? Let's try this. Looks like it's starting to inch out a little bit. There we go. We got the whole thing out. All right. So, just a dry fit here. Let's see that I didn't ruin it too badly. You can see I kind of chewed up the front there with the blade. But if we stick that in there. See. Let's zoom in on that so you can see. The eyes look much, much better. They're not quite set, but let's see if we can push that in a little bit more. You see that? Now I think it looks a little better. See if we can get some here. There we go. You see that? That is peculiar that the peg was so was sealed so far back. But yeah, let's see if that's as far as it goes. That must be it. Yeah. Let's seal them back up and see what we see. There we go. His little red beady eyes are now visible. Perfect. All right. Well, that's it. Let's see if we can push that in any further. there he is. And his eyes don't look all gross and inset anymore. So, if you're having this problem with your Wreck Gar, it's not that bad of a break. Especially if it's set so far back, that means that you have a little bit of slack on that peg, usually. So I just used, let me see here. I just used some little computer screwdrivers like this, and I just kind of went back in here and slowly pried it out, just right here. Just be very careful. I also used a computer spudging tool like this. Whoa. But yeah, it's holding well. His head is nice and firm. The glue must have set already, and yeah, I'm happy with that. I'm happy with how it looks, and that's it. Let me know what you think about this fix in the comments below. I don't think that this is going to be like a common issue, but you know, it's always good just to make sure, because whenever you're you know, collecting something, it's always good to contribute to the community on repairs, just in case something weird and off happens like this. And this is definitely something that's weird and off, because you'd think that a you know, a company would just kind of do this regularly, you know, just checking on QC and stuff. But hey, you know, sometimes some get by. Sometimes, you know, it looked like something that was normal to me in when I first reviewed it. So yeah, again, let's get in close on his face. You can see his eyes are now pushed up against the back of his faceplate here. So now you can see the red in his eyes. There's still a little space, but that's almost to be expected, because that silver's just right on top of the faceplate. It's not inset in the eye sockets, you know, like right on the inside, like right in there. You know, you can see there's space there, and there's orange on the inside of his eyelid. So you're not going to get that absolute perfect look, but this will help. So yeah, again, let me know what you think in the comments below. If you're having this problem, let me know if this helps. And yeah, give me a like if you like this video. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Hit that notification bell so you know when other stuff comes up on my channel. And you know, I'm pretty sure this guy will be up on my Instagram by the time you see this video, and the review should be up too. So I'll probably link that sometime now. So yeah, thanks for watching.